Please welcome your host.
Alright, praise God, magandang gabi na muli sa ating lahat. Once again, good evening everyone! Hello and hi po sa ating mga bisita. Our boys, our bosses na nandito po ngayong gabi ito. And syempre naman po, once again, welcome and good evening to everybody. And of course, syempre, bago natin po umpisahan ang ating napaka-espesyal na program po sa gabi ito, ay nice ko lang po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita. And I also want to check your vibe and your energy. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba ako makarinig po muna mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan may kasamang sigawan dyan. Parang mahinay. Isang malakas na palakpakan may kasamang sigawan dyan. O diba, that's more, even better. Ganyan dapat ang energy natin ngayong gabi. Diba, dapat masaya tayo because of course this is a time to rejoice, to celebrate, at parang important diwang lahat. Because of course, we are all gathered here at nandito po tayo ngayon upang i-celebrate po ang isang po sa isang milestone po ngayon yearly na celebration niyo po kada December, diba? So, we would like to request everybody to please be more mindful, enjoy, and entertain tayo. No? So parang lahat po ng ating mga bisita right now, even our employees and bosses ay mag-enjoy ngayong gabi. And by the way, good evening once again to each and every one of our guests, and welcome aboard here once again at the Royal Suntec Corporation here in 2025. Palakpakan na po tayo lahat. And of course, syempre naman po, as we continue on with our program tonight, may I request naman po, everybody of our guests to please rise. Magsipagtayo lang po tayo lahat sa kandali lamang po. Because we are about to officially begin our program with our opening prayer to be led by Sir Rob. May I call on Sir Rob, please, to lead our opening prayer. Thank you so much.
Hello guys. Let's bow our head. Lord, thank po sa gabi nito. Kami po nagkasama-sama. Naway, i-attend po kami sa aming pang-araw-araw na gawain. At kami po nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Kayo po ang dakila sa lahat. At sana po maging successful po itong year-end party namin, Panginoon. And then, nagpapasalamat din po kami sa mga boss. Sana po bigyan niyo po sila ng kalakasan. At sila po ang mamuna sa amin lahat. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Everybody, you can now take your seats. Bossy Jay, thank you so much. Everybody, mamuna po tayo lahat. And let's enjoy the rest of our program and be prepared for you once again only here at the Royal Suntec Corporation here at Party 2025. Palakpakan naman po lahat. And muli sa magandang gabi muli sa ating lahat. And before we continue on with our program po, please allow me to introduce myself first. Magpalang gabi sa lahat. And advance Merry Christmas once again to everybody. My name is host Teresa, and I'll be your host for your year-end party 2025. And wala nang perfectong paano. At this point, syempre naman, nais ko po sana gamitin ang pagkakataon ito upang ating i-acknowledge yung pakilala ko lang sa inyo, syempre ang inyong mga boss, yung mga big boss po ninyo. No? So I'll be calling them names one by one. Sila irarama lang po, no? And then they'll be having a fake photo of. Palakpakan po natin sila, no? Bawat isa pag tinatawag ko. No? Samahan niyo po ako, ha? Okay, and to officially begin to introduce our bosses and management, palakpakan naman natin si Boss Jason! Sino po kayo, sir? Lakad po kayo? Please come here. And after Boss Jason, we have here Boss Vincent. Okay. Ayan, sige po. And tuloy-tuloy lamang po tayo habang hinihintay po natin ang ating mga boss because after this, they'll be having a photo op na po yung sa gitna. And hinihiling ko lang po sana ang lahat na this year mag-e-enjoy po ang ating mga guests. Nasali tayo sa ating mga games ngayon kasi mas anticipating sa exciting ito. Okay, ito na nga. So finally, one more process. Pagpapakala natin sila. Boss Jason, Boss Vincent, Mr. Lee, Mr. Yen, Mr. Zan, Tito, and Sir Andrew. Round of applause. And Sir Jackie. Let's give it once again to the bosses of Royal Suntec Corporation. Picture. Everything was lang tayo ang lahat. Everybody with our bosses on stage. Lahat po. Akit mo tayo sa taas, everybody. Ano po tayo, akit mo. Ayan. Please join the bosses on stage for our all together. Lahat po ba? Yeah. Everybody, lahat po. Lahat. Kasi, okay, paunahin lang namin yung mga boss ko. Lahat na. Okay, sure, no problem. Yung iba po akit sa likod, kasyang-kasya na lang po tayo dyan. Okay? And the others po, hindi na lang sa baba. Ito po nakakagulan yung mga boss natin para na sa camera. There you go. We provided chairs for our boss para mauuna lang po sila. Lahat po ng mga employees, teachers, your hours, and of course, you're about to continue on with the next part of the after this. You want to make sure that all of the boss are hi, good evening. Your bosses, nice to meet you. Please meet everybody. Yeah. Please take a seat. Okay. We have your photographer with the camera, and don't forget to smile. Everybody smile. Make sure po nakikita bawal sa camera. No, para makita po ang ating mga guwapo talaga po pa on our camera in one frame. So go ahead. Don't forget to smile. Ayan, bigla ko may kinagawa. Hindi ko nakikita si sir. Compress na lang ako. Kaya pag hindi makita, adjust na lang po tayo para lahat ng ating face ay makita. Okay, let's go to the and then don't forget to smile. There you go. One more. Stay still. Ano po po yung sir? Tingnan. Pose. Compress. Yes, Rocky. Yes. There you go. One more. You know, one piece of halo-halo yung mga wagi ba na paano? Thank you so much. And of course, we also like to, yes, one more picture with our bosses. Ay, balik ko po. Cellphone naman ang mga bosses. Ayan. Kanina kasi sa camera, ngayon si cellphone na. Pasensya na po. Ayan, sige. Pag binigyan natin yung mga bosses natin, minsan natin mag-record ko sa photoshoot. Ayan, sige po. Ayun, picture. Off the phone. Nagkatapangan ng smile. One more. Smile. Yes. Okay.